In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix screenshots not saving in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I'm on my PC right now, but let's say any of the screenshots I'm taking aren't working or they're not being saved anywhere. So if I press print screen on my keyboard, let's say that's not working, that can be really annoying. But the default Windows print screen just usually is quite buggy. Sometimes it just doesn't work and sometimes it does. You don't want to rely on something like that. What you want to do is use your snipping tool. On some PCs, it's going to be downloaded by default. It's going to look like this. And if it's not, what you could do is go over to the Microsoft Store like so, and then just type in snipping tool. And then once you do, it's going to be a free application, which is right here. As you can see, mine's already installed, but just go ahead to this button right here and then press install. So what I want to do now is go ahead and open it. I already have mine on my taskbar. It's going to look something like this. And as you can see, it says press Windows logo key, Shift and S to start a snip. So you don't even have to have it open in the background. You can just press the Windows key, Shift and S. So I'm going to do that right now. And then now what I can do is go ahead and snip anything I want. And, then if I don't know where it's going to save, what I can do is press these three little dots right here, go over to settings. And then from here, it's going to say different things like, I can automatically save original screenshots. It shows exactly where the screenshots are saved. And then I can change any of these settings as well. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check our other videos on the channel.